Back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your slime stretchy and a kind of bit of sticky. Not really that much. And guys, I've kind of already started. I made everything like the shampoo and the conditioner in this cup, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the lotion, and some food dye, guys. I'm sorry. I tried to make a video before, but it didn't work. And so I'm just going to be showing you the things that you will be needing. So the first thing you're going to be needing is obviously your slime. I'm going to be changing the colors. You don't have to change yours. It feels like so fluffy. And yeah, so it's kind of ugly. And you definitely going to be needing activator. This is baking soda. It says don't drink activator. And then I got I put some Dawn soap in here. So it's like a little bit. Because a little bit of half of the foam is in here. So I'll be using this too. And you're going to be needing a spatula. Obviously, going to be needing a bowl because if you don't, it's just going to get ugly. And you're going to need the conditioner, lotion, and shampoo. And I used the fork to mix the color. And I'm going to be able to scrape it out. So yeah, you're going to need that too. You're going to need a knife. You guys don't have to add anything. I don't have no more glitter, so I can't do anything pretty with it. And so yeah, guys. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Let me zoom it in a little bit. I think that's good. And guys, please tell me how to go live. I really, really, really want to. And please give this up to 300 subscribers. 300 subscribers, please. I tried to make 2 zeros. Please make 300 subscribers. And I'll be doing one gallon of tub slime. Like 1 gallon of slime. And you guys could pick in the comments purple, pink, clear or white. So yeah. And just a sneak peek for you guys. I want to make the slime black for my mom. Because that's her favorite color. And she doesn't think slime is a really good thing. Because she said she got it on her jacket. But enough chitter chatting. Let's just get into the stuff. So now that I already mixed the thing, I'm going to put the slime in the bowl. Putting this slime in the bowl. Yep, it's kind of watery. That's why it felt like that. So now I'm gonna clean the thing. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So now let me just put this. So now let me put the hand soap first. I almost forgot. Gonna put. I'm surprised it's working. Now I'm gonna mix this. So guys, yeah. So you just wanna mix. And you see like it's not getting sticky, that's okay. It's just making it a little bit fluffy. Sorry for moving the bowl. Okay. So guys, you see the thing is already been a success, but it's a little bit too fluffy. So now it's time to do the big thing. So now I'm just gonna be adding a dip at a time. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Okay. You see, guys, slime's getting sticker. Yes. Oh wow. Yes. Okay, guys. So it is good. Let's see. But it's sticky like I knew it was gonna be. Now I'm gonna do it again. And again and again and again. And so yeah. I'm gonna keep on doing it until it becomes the way how I want it to be really sticky. Guys, this is just a thing. If you want to copy me, you can if you want, but you don't have to. You don't have to if you don't want. I'm gonna add some more conditioner if it's not enough. Or body wash. But I think I added the whole thing, so let's just see if this becomes a success. See it's sticky. Now let me get. Let me get the activator. Guys, I got the activator. Okay. If you guys are wondering if you can't see the hole, it looks tiny, but it's so huge. It's ready. I'm sure I just do it. If you guys see, it's killing me. If you guys hear a background, it's just to show if you guys can guess it. You have 10 seconds. Comment down below what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. So, if you guessed it, that's good. And I'm so happy for you guys. If you guys guessed it, and I'm just gonna say it. High School Musical 2. I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm gonna be making some for my friend. Once I get some more gallons, once I get another gallon of good. You guys, it's sticky. It's clicky. I'm sorry if I didn't feel backwards. I think I just did it. It's okay though. I think this mixes up with my beats. So. Guys, yeah, just yeah, this one's good, guys. So clicky and stretchy. Next time I'm gonna do lotion because this is like, there's no really was a fail. It was good. But guys, I'm gonna move on from my friends. Next time. And I'm going to be doing like a review what I got from Amazon. And when I go to Pennsylvania this week, it's going to be fun. I don't have no school today. Because I'm still in my house, just relaxing. So, yeah. It's like 3 something. I'm just sleeping in. I hope I don't have school tomorrow either. Even though I like to go at recess. And that's going to But yeah, guys, I think that's enough chitter-chatting. And thanks for watching. It was like a good slime. Yeah, good. And I'm going to be sure you had to make beat slime. I already have beats on, but I don't want to show you the video. Because it's just ruining the whole video next time. Guys, yeah. I'll see you next time. Sorry if you didn't get the full camera. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Like I said, please get up to 300 subscribers so I could do 1 gallon of glue. And please can we get up to more and more and more so then I could do 2 gallons and then 3 gallons and 4 gallons and like so much more. So please subscribe. I need a lot of subscribers. And I'll be doing probably a giveaway. So just stay tuned for that. Bye!